replacing a windshield wiper on a 2013 Nissan Versa. If I can do it, you can do it, so let's get to it. So you're going to simply lift up the wiper blade and simply slide it off. Now we're going to get the new one. It looks exactly the same way. Then we're going to put it on the exact same way as the other one. So you're going to push it in until it clicks like that. And then you're going to put it back down, and that's how you replace a windshield wiper on a 2013 Nissan Versa. And I'll see you on our next fix.